Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today, we're going to be speed testing 4 carriers right now. Little glitch there with the Pixel 2. It's connected to my Wi-Fi. So let me just kind of turn that off there just to make sure that it's fair and rerun the test on the Pixel 2. But anyways, on the far left, we have Boost Mobile with the TN SIM card on the expanded T-Mobile network. We got Google Fi on the Pixel 2 XL next to that. Next to that one, we have AT&T with the Business Elite. And then on the far end, iPhone 6s Plus, we have Visible. And so you guys can see 3.11 down on Boost Mobile, 4.72 down on Google Fi, 24.1 down on the AT&T, and then 22.4 down on Visible. The upload speeds are not all that great. Now this is within my my apartment, and it's a 2-story apartment, so there is an apartment above me. So this actually is showing you guys like signal penetration and what to expect with that. But also, this is in my area, the city of Phoenix. So again, these connections will be different in your area, so keep that in mind. But I just kind of wanted to do a comparison for you guys to see what I'm getting regards to connections. Now, after moving them all to the same server, which is speedtest.net, we're seeing that AT&T and Visible are doing pretty well on the downlink. The uplink, not so well. So live streaming from inside my apartment is not going to be the best if I was to use any of these right now, which is the reason why that I utilize home Wi-Fi. But when it comes down to it, both Google Fi and Boost Mobile, both relying on T-Mobile's network, are seeing some not so well speeds. So in my home, it's going to be more reliable for AT&T and Visible, especially if I'm wanting to download files and things like that. I'm going to get a much better connection with AT&T and Visible on my end than I will with Google Fi and T-Mobile. Well, Boost Mobile on T-Mobile. So now it's not entirely sure if like T-Mobile is doing any upgrading in my city, but you would think that here in Phoenix that it would actually do pretty good. Phoenix being I believe the 6th largest city in the United States, so I would figure that. But big shout out to the homie Caleb when we were actually talking one time on Periscope, and yeah, pretty much conveyed that the density here in Phoenix is not all that great, which is something that I would agree with him on when it comes to network connections and network build out and how the signal is dispersed across the city. You get better connections on the outskirts of Phoenix. So I'm talking about places like Scottsdale, some areas in Tempe, Mesa. But like in the city of Phoenix, I mean, one, we got to deal with congestion. Very big city, a lot of people on the networks. But as you guys can see, AT&T is doing okay. I mean, it was doing good on the earlier speed test. Right now, it's like downlink is like 8.51. Visible seems to be holding strong with the downlink staying in the upper 20s. So that's a little bit more reliable. And yeah, so just quick show. So I'm going to show the results here from the last couple of tests and give you guys an idea of what I've been getting. And you'll see too, because on the Pixel 3a with Boost Mobile, you'll see some really high download speeds, and that was done when I was in Scottsdale yesterday. So let me just pop the results here for Boost Mobile, and you see like 68.4 and then 50.1 on the uplink. Those were done in Scottsdale. So anyways, guys, quick speed test. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. If you just subscribed, thanks for doing so. See you on the next one, and as always, aloha.